Hello students, let us discuss one problem when a system is at equilibrium and we need to find out tension in string and normal reaction for the mass. Now let us first understand what are the forces acting on it. The very first force is a tension, which I told you how to recognize. It's like sitting on a mass and open an umbrella. The second reaction is the normal reaction, which this surface will apply on the mass, which will be upwards. Let it be N and let this be T. The third force will be the weight, which will be mg, which will be downwards. So when we have this type of forces acting, we can always shift the axis. So instead of taking a axis like this, I'll take my axis as normal reaction and tension, as both are at 90 degree. Now this mg only we need to understand. So this mg can be resolved into two parts, two components. If you observe this here, if this is the force mg, I can write down two components. One is perpendicular and one is parallel to your inclined plane. Now if this angle is theta, this angle will become 90 minus theta. So we can say that this component is mg sin theta and this component is mg cos theta. The same thing I'll mark here now. So one force is coming like this and one force is coming like this. This force is mg cos theta and this force is mg sin theta. Now let us draw free body diagram for this. So free body diagram for m, how I can draw? If this is m, then what are the forces acting? The very first force which is acting over here is T, which is going like this, and opposite to T is mg sin theta, and normal reaction upward, and downside mg sin cos theta. So how I can write the equation? Since the system is at equilibrium, n is equal to mg cos theta and T is equal to mg sin theta. This helped me to solve many numericals. Thank you.